Before we break down the wheelchair, the main thing to remember is the center of gravity. So the user's center of gravity affects the stability and the maneuverability of the wheelchair. In the picture, in the slide, this is the relationship that is shown. The center of mass of an empty wheelchair is located under the seat in front of the drive wheels, which are the big wheels. When the user is seated in the wheelchair, the center of mass moves above the seat and forward and backward depending on the seat position of the individual and the drive wheels. So when the center of mass is located forward of the axis of the drive wheels, more weight is placed on the casters, which are the small wheels, making it more difficult to lift them. So the chair is more stable, but it's less maneuverable. If the center of mass is backwards and closer to the axis of the drive wheels, or even slightly behind, stability decreases and maneuverability increases. So understanding this relationship is important when setting up the wheelchair.